Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about the three mobile offline music players up to date. So, music is a thing that we have that can escalate or calm our moods. But what are the top three offline music players that we have right now? So, the first one in our list is an application named Music Colette. So, Music Colette is an ad-free music player. Yes, it is a completely free audio player without advertisement. Musicalat doesn't even use internet permission. So the next one in our list is the Nix Music Player. So Nix Music Player is a music player that allows you to listen to all the music or audio stored on your Android device in a very comfortable and organized way. And in our top 3 is an application named Auto Music. So Auto Music is a free app for Android published in the audiophile players list of apps, part of audio and multimedia. So it is an app where you can import and export playlists and listen to them without worry. And that's the top 3 free mobile offline music players. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.